Back to my channel. Ito pala si last vlog ko, si Phil Rocks. Ito yung bagong music video niya or vlog niya. Ito yung cute na anak niya. Okay, so para ubos yung pagkain natin. So vlogging and eating tayo, ha? Then while listening to the kids music, and kwarto lang tayo. Yung mga lamit ko yun. Nakakuan. Okay. Kwarto namin walang tiles. Yan. It's an old room. So just kuan, painted white. Skin coat then paint white. Tapos yung kisame yan, maganda na. It's an old room pala. No tiles, no? It's an old floor. Yung pula ang kuan, kung na kuan nyo, if you remember that kuan floor, the red floor, that's the antique one, the classic floor of the Philippines. But now we have to adapt the modern ways of kuan living. Gandahin na yung floor natin. Yun, magtataas na tayo. Yun si kuan. Yung anak niya, cute. Si Phil Rock. Yan. Shout out Phil Rock. Yung anak mo ang cute. Ha? Mag-comment tayo na napili naman natin, di ba? So, comment tayo. So cute. Yan. Pag naabot ka ng 3 minutes, okay lang yan. 1 minute, okay. Anyway, kuha tayo yung mga cellphone. Kasi nagpipili tayo diyan. Okay. Ito tayo sa kay Ship na nakuhaan pala to. Katatapos, hapit na matapos. Looks yummy. Mag-comment muna ko kay Ship. Looks delicious, okay. Si Ship Hit pala to. Yan. Ito yung na-play ko kaya na. Yung channel na pala to. Si Ship Hit. Dice. Okay, monetize na siya. So, just play and don't skip the ads so that we can earn more revenues. Charot. At hindi natin kalimutan si Shen Music Shen Piano Salon. Meron ako ubo. By the way, I'm an asthmatic, kaya maraming ubo. Yan talaga. Kayo na tayo. This is what they call in the Philippines kamote Q. It's kamote. It's sweet potato. So, sweet potato enhanced with brown sugar. So, 9,000 times sweeter from the original potato sweet. Very sweet and very tasty, delicious, yummy, oishi in Japanese. Grabe sarap. Yan, tapos na kay Phil Rock. Tapos may ads siya. Yan. Thank you for the ads. Hi-Hat Entertainment. Okay. So shout out na tayo. Let's continue our shout out. Please help each other channels that we can earn big huge money. Charot. Tapos na tayo kay ito si Rafael. Yun si Rafael. Ito no. Nagpatulong ito sa atin. He said, please shout out mga kubos. Next vlog, shout out Rafael Works. Ito palagi ko lang shout out. Please help Rafael Works. He has 752 subscriber. Konti na lang. Please help this vlogger also guys. Okay, ito yung mga vlog niya, mga DIY. So, yan. Shout out Rafael Vlog. Rafael Works pala, Works, hindi vlog. Sorry. So, yung content and focus yan. Palayo. Yun, si Rafael Vlog sus. Wala pa nanonood ako pa lang nanonood pala. Yan kanina nanonood ako first. So please watch Rafael Vlog, Rafael si Works ha. Tulungan natin siya guys. Let's help Rafael so that ma-monetize din siya. Okay, next is ito yung marami na. So hindi na tayo mag-play ng mga videos sa yung lang profile. We will not play video anymore. Let's promote your channel na lang ha. Okay, this one is Ma'am Living After 50s. Yan. Shopping vlog. She's from America. Yan. So, shout out Ma'am. Then we have also from Africa. Joshua from Africa. Shout out Ma'am Jessie. Ito yung vlog niya. Yan Anyway, shout out Ma'am Jessie World TV. Ito naman si Shadow. Yan. Kunti lang. Bang. Yan. Yan lang. Para ma-shout out lahat. Si King Retro. Yan. Yan King Retro. Shout out King Retro. Nururu, sumadu my darling. Loading tayo guys So balik tayo sa mga i-shout out natin. Well, parang sarap kumain. Kaya mo tayo. Okay. Primo tayo na sa video ni Ma'am Fatima. Ang bago. Ito. Yan. Shout out Ma'am Fatima. Yan. Yung 1,000 subscribers na siya. So, what's hour lang ko lang niya. Okay. Let's go back. My darling. Ito si from Spain yata to si Ma'am. Yan yung vlog niya. Borda. Spain and Philippines magkapareha lang ng word. Borda is guapo, is handsome. Guapita is beautiful. Yun din sa Philippines, parang Pilipino sila. Ito si DGM Mix Vlog, shout out bossing, yun. Shout out kanina. Kilang. Ano talaga? Yan. Yan ang vlog ni bossing. Yan, kaya natin. Anyway, doon sa kabila. Shout out Janelle Cominling, shout out si according to Jeff, shout out yung bagong vlog ni Jeff so i-share ko muna to palagi kami nag-share nito. Yan, share and play. Later I will play your video, Jeff. Okay, Jeff is good in cooking, American vlogger. Yan. According to Jeff, with 6.11k subscribers. Yan. So, thank you for watching guys. 9 minutes na. Okay.